Do you remember those days when we used to bunk our classes while seated at our favorite spot on the campus, or spend hours in canteen doing mimicry of our teachers? College life gives us so many memories to cherish forever. And if the college campus is huge and beautiful, life becomes even better, right? Today we are telling you about top 12 college campuses across India that make life feel like an occasion. We would think that college year beautiful teachers are only seen in Bollywood movies. National Institute of Technology in Karnataka has it is reality. As spread over 295 acres with green surroundings, this college campus has a private beach including Ella House. A college campus which has beautiful view, a beach to chill, and is one of the best colleges of MIT. Which student wouldn't go to college every day? Next one is JP University of Information and Technology. It's spread over 25 acres of green stunning slopes of Waknagat Hills in Himachal Pradesh. The infrastructure of this campus is attractive for sure, but along with the green view, high mountains and all year present weather, this place becomes more beautiful. The university has its own temple and also helipad across the campus, which gives it to a very modern look. It is one of the best gorgeous looking colleges in mountain. No one doubts the beauty of God's own country, Kerala. So how can it say behind when it comes to the beautiful college campus? IIM Kozhikode campus in Kerala is spread across twin hills, which are part of the Western Ghats and has an array of beautifully designed green trees. If you love mountains, you will fall in love with one of the most picturesque and oxyrich campus in the country. And especially during sunset, when this campus is lit up, it looks no less than a dream. SSN College of Engineering in Chennai is not located around any beach or hill station, but the aesthetic architecture and the greenery of this college campus will definitely leave you speechless. And hence, the students here call this college Oasis in the Desert. It is one of the best engineering colleges in the country, which is known for its education along with picturesque lawns, dark pink colored trees, fountains, and overall scenic setting. And that's why it's on our St. Xavier's College is one of the most popular colleges in Mumbai. It is known for its Indo-Gothic architecture, which is so pretty and eye-catching. Apart from that, this college campus has a beautiful chapel and a leisure space called the Woods, which is known for its greenery. For many regions, this is the dream college for students. This is on the list of the best college, and along with that, this is also a preferred shooting location for movies कुछ कुछ होता है, जाने तू या जाने ना, and maybe, etc. have been shot here. IIT Kharagpur in West Bengal has the largest campus of 2,100 acres among all the IITs in India. It is believed that this college was designed by Swiss architects, and architecture here is what they look. And there is a swimming pool, gymnasium, the outdoor and indoor stadiums in the campus, and even a central library, 350,000 books collection. And Gymkhana is most beautiful part of the IIT Kharagpur campus. Located at the heart of the Bangalore, spreading over 400 acres of area, Indian Institute of Science is one of the sprawling green campus with a height of 942 meters, which makes it to the highest point in the entire campus in Bangalore. This campus harbors both exotic and indigenous plant species, which makes green landscape a visual treat for those who love greenery and everything around nature. And it's really hard to believe that we are talking about a college campus. Delhi colleges are known for its larger-than-life campuses, but on that list, Hindi College tops on the chart. This is one of the oldest colleges in Delhi. This college is famous for its high cutoffs and best and spacious college campus. It has a pretty impressive architecture and beautifully landscaped gardens, which make it an important gem of the Delhi University. Our favorite love saga rock star, Dil Dosti, etc. was shot here. BITS Pilani. BITS Pilani had to be on our list. After all, It is one of the largest campus in India, spread over an area of 900 acres. The Birla Institute of Technology and Sciences is a pretty impressive campus which accommodates India's Technological Museum, Birla Museum and the Saraswati Temple, which is built with only a white marble covered with wooden parts. BITS Pilani campus looks so magnificent that you will start feeling as if you are a different city altogether. Next one is IIT Guwahati, which is situated on the northern bank of river Brahmaputra. On one side of it has a majestic Brahmaputra river and on the other side hills and greenery. Spread over 700 acres, this campus is widely considered as one of the most mesmerizing campus in the India. There is a different fun attached to watching sunset and sunrise at that same location. Along with, you will see a number of migratory birds flying here all day long. Located in Dool Valley, Forest Research Institute is one of the famous and oldest institutions of its kind. This 1300-acre campus has green forests, well-crafted and maintained gardens, glorious building with date tags to the pre-independence area. The building was also listed in the Guinness Book of Records as the largest purely brick structure in the world for some time. This Greek-Roman style architecture has witnessed many Bollywood film shot here. Rehna Se Tere Dil Mein, Pansing Thomas and Student of the Year. Any college in a beautiful place like Srinagar, known as heaven, has to be breathtaking. NIT Srinagar is unarguably the most gorgeous college campus in India. During winters, you will also see snowfall here, and literally looks like a white wonderland. The snow-covered lands, beautiful hills, Dal Lake, which is at the backside of the college, and Hazrat Bal Shrine, which is also at the walkable distance, add a lot to its charm. Located in Kashmir Valley and scenic by Himalayan ranges, itself make it number 1 on our list. Well, that was our top list 10 gorgeous college campus across India. Not just this, there are many such college campuses in India where you don't need to go on vacation to recharge yourself while you are studying. All you need to do is just wander around the campus.